everyone across the world. I am Otemu Ogenenyero teaching on YouTube. I want to deal with this topic live, and the topic is simultaneous equation. The topic today is simultaneous equation. What is simultaneous equation? Simultaneous equation simply means we are solving two equations at the same time, looking for the value of two variables. It could be x, it could be y, x and y, a and b, c and d, and the rest of them. Now, if you are asked to solve the following, simultaneous equation, if you are asked to solve the following simultaneous equation, 1, 5x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0, and 2x plus y is equal to 9. If you are asked to solve these two equations the same time, now we pick a solution. All right. The first one is 5x plus 3y. When this minus 24 crosses this equal to go and mean 0, is now plus 24. I will call this equation 1. I'm going to call that equation 1. So I'll bring equation 2 out, which says 2x plus y is equal to 9, equation 2. Okay, I can either use elimination method or use substitution method. But I want to use substitution method. I want to say from equation 2 let us now form equation 3. From equation 2, let us now form equation 3. And what is equation 2 telling us? 2x plus y is equals to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 9. So let us make y the subject of the formula. If I want to make y the subject of the formula, this plus 2x, when it crosses equal to change to minus 2x. I will call this equation 3. I will call that equation 3. I'm now saying, okay, put equation 3 into equation 1. Take note, is from equation 2 I form equation 3. So I will now put equation 3 into equation 1. If I form equation 3 from 1, I will put it in 2. So what is equation 1 telling us? 5x plus 3y is equals to 24. 5x plus 3y is equals to 24. And what is y? Y is 9 minus 2x. So I will remove this y and put 9 minus 2x. So here with 5x plus 3 brackets 3 brackets. What is y now? Is 9 minus 2x is equal to 24. Now, we are going to open the bracket. Here is now 5x plus 3 times 9 is 27. Is 27. 3 times minus 2x is minus 6x. 3 times minus 2x is minus 6x is equals to 24. Is equals to 24. Now, 5x minus 6x is equals to 24. When this plus 27 crosses the sign of equal to, it changes to minus 27. Take note. Now, what is 5x minus 6x is minus x. 5x minus 6x is minus x. What is 24 minus 27 is minus 3. So what we have to do is to make x stay on its own. We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 1. So if I divide through by minus 1, this minus will die with this minus. X is equals to 3. X is equals to 3. So I'm not saying put, or you can say replace, or you can say substitute. Put 3 for x into equation 3. Take note. This one now we want to get the value of y into equation 3. And what is equation 3? Equation 3 says y is equals to 9 minus 2x. And what is the value of s? Look at it here. It's 3. So y is equals to 9 minus 2 bracket 3. Now, what is now 2 times 3? 2 times 3 is 6. Now, what is now 9 minus 6 is 3. So, conclusively, we can now say hence the value of x is equals to 3 and the value of y is equals to 3. So this is its solution. So study it, look at it carefully, because I want to go to example number 2. Look at it carefully, how we solve the math, so that I can go to example number 2. Okay, let us take example number 2. Let's take example number 2. Stay tuned, subscribe to Otemu Math Success. Let's take example number 2. All right. Number 2 says, if 3 raised to power y plus x is equals to 9 raised to power y plus x, and 2 raised to power x minus y is equals to 8 raised to power x minus 3. Okay? 3 raised to power y plus x is equal to 9 raised to power y plus x, and 2 raised to power x minus y is equal to 8 raised to power x minus 3. What's the question telling us now? Find the value of x and y respectively. It's a NECO question. It's a NECO question. All right. This is called exponential of indices. Now, here is 3 raised to power y. I'm picking this first. Take note. Y plus x is equal to 9 raised to power y plus x. All right. Here is 3. Here is 9. So I will express in the base of 3. I want to make the base equal. So here means 3 raised to power 1. So here means 3 raised to power y plus x. Yes. How many times can you multiply 3? That will give you 9. It's 2 times. 3 raised to power 2, take note, which 3 raised to power 2 is in 9, into y plus x. Okay, let me clear this bracket here. So here is 3 raised to power y plus x is equal to 2 times y is 2y. Take note, I'm opening the bracket. 2 times plus x is plus 2x. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times x is 2x. If you like, you cancel the base. You take the power. Y plus x is equal to 2y plus 2x. Okay, you know what I want to do now? I want to carry everything here to this side, y to meet y, x to meet x, so here will be 0. So here will remain 0, which is equal to 2y. When this plus y come here, become minus y plus 2x. When that x goes to the other side, it becomes minus x. Okay. Now, 0 is equal to 2y minus y give us y plus 2x minus s give us x. So I want to rearrange it now, which is something as x plus y is equal to 0. I will call this equation 1. I'm going to call that equation 1. Okay, let's go to the other side, which says 2 raised to power x minus y is equal to 8 raised to power x minus 3. 2 raised to power x minus y is equal to 8 raised to power x minus 3. Okay, I want to express here now in this base of 2. Now, let me just say express in base of 2. Yes, so here means 2 raised to power x minus y How many times can you multiply 2? That will give us 8. Is 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times, which is 2 raised to power 3 bracket x minus 3. 2 raised to power 3 bracket x minus 3. Let us clear the bracket. Let's take the power. This one, we cancel this. Take note. So yes, x minus y is equal to 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. Because 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. I will say x. This is plus 3x. This minus belongs to 9. Take note. So when this positive value crosses is equal to this side, it becomes minus 3x minus y is equal to minus 9. Okay. What is x minus 3x? Is minus 2x. Minus y is equal to minus 9. You can use that to work as your equation 2. Okay, you can say, no, I want to clear the negative value by multiplying 2 by minus 1. So we use minus to multiply this. It will be 2x. When you use minus to multiply this, here will be plus y. You use minus to multiply this is equals to 9, equation 2. You can use this as your equation 2 if you wish to. Now, so let us bring equation 1 and equation 2 together. Okay, let me bring it now. Equation 1 says x plus y is equal to 0. Equation 1. Look at it here. Look at it there. And our equation 2 says 2x plus y equals to 9. Equation 2. Let us now use elimination method. Elimination. What is elimination method? I will eliminate one of the alphabet and make use of the other one. Look for one. So if you look at this, x plus y is equal to 0. 2x plus y is equal to 9. Now we said equation 1 and equation 2. Here is a positive value. The coefficient of y are equal. That I will not multiply equation 1 by equation 2 again. I will not make anyone equal. It's already equal. The coefficient of y here is 1. The coefficient of y here is 1. So it's already clear. Since it's a plus and a plus value sign there, I will put a negative value here. Take note. Minus 1x minus 2x is minus x. 1x minus 2x is minus x. Now, y minus y is 0. According to my lecturer, so it died natural death. 0 minus 9 is equal to minus 9. So this negative value we cancel, the dividing both sides by the coefficient of s, which is negative. Our value for s is 9. So I will now say, okay, let's come and solve. I hope you are following me. All right. I will now say substitute or put or replace, put this 9 for x into either equation 1 or equation 2. You can either put it in equation 1 or equation 2. Whichever the equation you put it, you will get your value of 1. Okay, let me say I will put it into equation 1. Let me take equation 1. An assignment for you. Go and put it in equation 2 to see if you get it and put it on my comment section. X plus y is equal to 0. That is equation 1. X plus y is equal to 0. Equation 1. And what is x? Is 9. 9 plus y is equal to 0. So correct like 10. 9 and 0. They are like 10. So y is equal to 0 when this positive 9 crosses this equal to become minus 9. What is our answer? Is minus 9 conclusively, because when we are marking y, if you fail to conclude, we don't give you the answer, conclude, or you don't need to conclude. So you must conclude. So x is equals to 9 and y is equals to minus 9. Take note. So x is equals to 9 and y is equals to minus 9. So that is example number 2. Just take a look at it and go through it and look at it. That is how we can solve this. So let us take example number 3. Let's take example number 3. All right. Our example number 3 is this. Solve this simultaneous equation. I will be giving you 4 good examples that will be done for today. 3x raised to the power of minus 1 minus 2y raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 6. And then 4x raised to the power of minus 1 plus y raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 19. Is equal to 19. Now, let's now solve the equation. So I'm going to say 3x raised to the power of minus 1 minus 2y raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 6. Law of indices. This is a negative indices. So here simply means 3 times s raised to the power of minus 1, that's what it means, minus 2 times y raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 6. Now, I will change them from negative indices to positive indices. So here means 3 times 1 over x. This has changed to this. Minus 2 times 1 over y is equal to 6. Now, 3 times 1 is 3. So here means 3 over s. Or let me take it from there. Let me take it like this. Let 1 over s be equals to p. I will now say let 1 over x be equal to p. and 1 over y be equals to q. Okay, let's take it like that. So anywhere I say 1 over x, I will put p. Anywhere I see 1 over y, I will put q. So that simply means 3p minus 2q is equal to 6, equation 1. 3p minus 2q is equal to 6, equation 1. Okay, let's also do the other one which says 4x raised to the power minus 1 plus y raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 19. Let's take the equation 2 which says 4s raised to the power minus 1 plus y raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 19. So this one simply means 4 times 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 19. And we said 1 over x is p and 1 over y is q. So here is 4p plus q is equal to 19, equation 2. 4p plus q is equal to 19, equation 2. So let's bring equation 1 and equation 2 together. Equation 1 says 3p minus 2q is equal to 6, equation 1. Then here is 4p, look at it here, plus q is equal to 19, equation 2. So we can also use either elimination method or use substitution method. Okay, let me use elimination method here. Let's use elimination method. Okay, before you can use elimination method, you look at the coefficient of p in equation 1 and the coefficient of p in equation 2. They are not the same. So I can either make p equal or I make q equal. Q is 2, here is 1. Okay, this one that is the q in equation 2 will come up. I will multiply equation 1 by 1 because of this one. Then this 2 will come down. I will multiply equation 2 by 2. Now 1 times 3, here is 3p. In fact, yes, 1, so everything remains the same. Here is 2q, here is 6, is equation 3. We're now getting equation 3 and equation 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times plus q give us plus 2q is equal to 2 times 9 is 2 times 19 is 38. Here give us 38, equation 4. Okay, look at it. The sign here is a positive value. Yes, a negative value, sorry. Yes, a positive value. So I will add. So I'm going to add equation 1 and equation 2 together. What is now 3p plus 8p is 11p minus 2q plus 2q with dimensional depth is 0. Now, what is 38 plus 6 is equals to 44. All right, let us now divide both sides by 11. So which means P now will be this 44 divided by this 11. And what is P? P is equal to 4. If P is 4, what is our X? X is 1 over 4. Oh, you will ask me, how do I get 1 over 4? I will show you now. So now say, if 1 over X is equal to P, and P is equal to 4, what do? You cross multiply. So which means 4 times S is 4X, which is equal to 1. When you divide both sides by the coefficient of X, which is 4, which now gives us now. So the simple method I used to teach my children, just reciprocate and get your value of S. Just reciprocate or multiplicative inverse and get it. But if I want to get my Q, I will be using P, not X. I'm going to say put 4 for P into either equation 1 or equation 2. Take note, not 3 and 4. You put it either equation 1 and equation 2. So let me say equation 1. Let me put it into equation 1. And what equation 1 is telling me are you here? Where is it here? 3P minus 2Q is equal to 6. 3P minus 2Q is equal to 6. And what is P? P is 4. So 3 bracket 4, take note, we are looking for Q, minus 2Q is equal to 6. Is equal to 6, sorry. Now, 3 times 4 is 12. Here give us 2Q is equal to 6. Okay, yes, 6. Now, collect like 10. 12. When this positive value crosses this equal to and come here, is minus 6. Is minus 6. When this one minus 2Q go there, is equals to 2Q. Now, what is 12 minus 6? Is 6, which is equals to 2Q. So let's make Q the subject of the formula. Divide both sides by 2. Like most students will say divide by 6. No. You are dividing both sides by what? By 2. Okay? Let's go further. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 3. 2 we cancel 2. Therefore, our Q is equals to 3. If our Q is 3, what is our Y? Is 1 over 3. Just reciprocate this. Like what I said the other time, we said let Q be 1 over Y. That was said the other time. Now, and Q is 3. 3 is equal to 1 over Y. Cross multiply, give us 3Y is equal to 1. When you divide both sides by 3, Y is equal to 1 over 3. So this is the answer. So just simply reciprocate. Conclusively, we now conclude now. We now say therefore X is equal to 1 over 4 and Y is equal to 1 over 3. So this is how we can solve that math. Now, let us take the last example. the last example, which is example number 3. I want to take the last example, but this is my first time of coming live, so I'm test running it. By the grace of God, I will give you better one. Check. Which is last one? Example number 4 is the last one. Solve the simultaneous equation x over 2 plus y over 4 is equal to 1 over 2. And x over 3 minus y over 5 is equal to 1 over 9. It's a NECO question. It's a NECO question. We cannot solve now. Solution. Okay? Here is x over 2 plus y over 4 is equal to 1 over 2. Now, what we do is to find the LCM of the denominator. You will find the LCM of the denominator 2, 4, 2. I don't know. Even if I know, I will not tell you. So we are going to solve it together. Let us go to primary school or basic 4. LCM of 2, 4 and 2. I don't know. 2, we cancel this one. Here will be 2. Yes, 1. 2 here, 1, 1, 1. So what is the LCM? Is now 2 times 2, and the LCM is 4. Take note, the LCM is what? 4. So what do we need to do? Is to multiply each of these terms by 4. Is to multiply each of these terms by 4. Now, here is now 4 times x over 2 plus 4 times y over 4 is equal to 4 times 1 over 2. Now, what do we do? This is x. All right. This we cancel this. Here we give us plus y. This we cancel this is equals to 2. Equation 1 is equal to 2. Equation 1. Now let's solve the other side also. X over 3 minus y over 5 is equal to over 9. If you say let me find the LCM, I will not tell you. We work it together. That is why I'm teaching you live. I'm not teaching myself. I'm teaching you the world at large. Now, so here is 3. I don't know how to find it. We are finding it together. Here is 9. Primary 3 mass. What can go? You start with 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Can 3 divide 5? No. You bring it down. 3 into 9 is 3. We can still use 3. 3 here again, 1. Can 3 divide 5? No. 3 here, 1. So what do we use to do again? We divide with 5. Here is 1, 1, 1. Okay. What is now 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. So the LCM is 45. So the LCM of 3, 5, and 9 is 45. So what we need to do is to use the LCM to multiply each of these terms. Use the LCM to multiply each of these terms, which simply means 45 times x over 3 minus 45 times y over 5 is equal to 45 times 1 over 9 times 1 over what? 9. Now, what is now 45 divided by 3 is 15. So here will give us 15x. All right. What is 45 divided by 5 is 9. Yeah, minus 9y. Then this one here is 5. Is equals to 5, equation 2. So what do we need to do is to bring equation 1 and equation 2 together. What's equation 1? Yeah, is 2x plus y is equals to 2, equation 1. And what equation 2 is 15x minus 9y is equals to 5, equation 2. So you can either use elimination method or you use substitution method. Nobody will penalize, it will not be key. It's just for you to know the two methods. My first example, I dealt with substitution method. I can equally use substitution method here, but let me use elimination method. The coefficient of s is 2, here is 15. They are not equal. Here is 1, here is 9. They are not equal. So let me make y equal. This 9 will come up, multiply by 9, equation 1 by 9. Then 1 will come down, multiply equation 2 by 1. Now, what is 9 times 2x? Give us 18x. Take note. 9 times 2x give us 18x. What is now 9 times y? Give us 9y. Then what is 9 times 2 again? Is 18. Equation 3. Equation 3. This is 1, so you don't need to stress yourself. Here is 15x minus 9y is equal to 5, equation 4. Now, equation, the y in equation 1 and equation 2, they are the same. And the sign here is plus, here is minus, so you will add. If here was plus, plus, you subtract. If here is minus, minus, you subtract. Because if it is plus, minus, or minus, plus, you add. Now, what is now 18 plus 15? Give us 33x. This will die natural death. That one will die natural death. What is 18 plus 5? Give us 23. Now, let's look for the value of x. Let's look for the value of x. Now, x here will be this 23 over 33. What do? I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 33. So our value for x is 23 over 33. I'm going to say put, or let me say replace 23 over 33 for x into equation 1. And what equation 1 telling us? Look at equation 1. Equation 1 says 2x plus y is equal to 2. 2x plus y is equal to 2. And what is x? Look at x. Look at x here. So 2 times 23 over 33 plus y is equal to 2. Now, this times this gives us 46 over 33 plus y is equal to 2. What is now y? Let's make y the subject of the formula. Is equal to 2 when this number could become minus 46 over 33. So yes, over 1. You can make it over 1. So what we need to do is to find the LCM of the denominator. Let's find the LCM of the denominator. All right. We simply put y is equal to, what the LCM of 33 and 1 is 33. Now, 1 divided by 33 is 33. 33 times 2 is 66. 1 divided by 33 is 33. We need to multiply 2 is 66. There's now minus 33 divided by 33 is 1. 1 times 46 is 46. Now, y is equals to what? What is 66 minus 46 is 20. 66 minus 46, 0, 2. So it's 20. So it will be 20 all over 33. Conclusively, we now say, hence, the value of x is now 23 over 33, and y is equal to 20 over 33. I'll stop here today. Like what I said, look at this carefully. I remember myself again, Otemu of Henenyeru teaching on YouTube. I just test run it today. My next live teaching, I will give you exercise. I'm good at giving my students like, they're always angry. Uncle Temu, your assignment is too much. I will give you, you will solve it and drop the answer on my comment section. Watch, share, and subscribe. God bless you. In case you don't know the name, his name is Otemu, is O-T-E-M-U, Mass Success. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I encourage one another again to come and watch with me. God bless you.
So